So let us start the session. Today we are going to start multiple choice questions from chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. So let us start with the first question. Point minus 3, minus 2 lie in the quadrant. Which quadrant? See, both are negative. If both are negative, that means it belongs to which quadrant?
Third quadrant.
Right, third quadrant. So the correct option is the third one. Right. Now we are moving toward question number 2. Point 5 minus 4 lies in the quadrant. Which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
No. एक बार चेक करो.
Fourth quadrant.
X पॉजिटिव है. X पॉजिटिव किस में रहता है? फर्स्ट और फोर्थ में.
Fourth quadrant.
Right, fourth quadrant. Next question. Point 17 lies in the quadrant dash.
First quadrant.
First quadrant, because both are positive, right? So now we are moving towards question number 4. Minus 6, 4 lies in the quadrant dash.
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant, very good. क्योंकि x नेगेटिव सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में होता है और थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में, एंड y is positive in out of those two quadrants. Y is positive in second quadrant, so correct option is second quadrant. The next question, the point minus 4 minus 3 means x is equals to minus 4, y is equals to minus 3, x is equals to minus 3, y is equals to minus 4, x is equals to 4, y is equals to 3, none of this.
Option A.
Option A, right, very good. X is equals to minus 4, y is equals to minus 3. Now sixth question, point 04 lies on first quadrant, second quadrant, x-axis, y-axis.
Y-axis.
Y-axis, right. Because x coordinate is 0, that means it belongs to y-axis. And the correct option is D-bit. Now seventh question, point 50 lies on the first quadrant, second quadrant, x-axis, y-axis.
X-axis.
X-axis. Because y coordinate is 0, so it belongs to x-axis. So correct option is C. Next question, on joining the points 0, 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, 2, 0, we obtain a dash. चलो एक बार करके देख लेते हैं हम लोग. Suppose this is 2, 0, okay? O, A, and this is 0, 2. And the point of intersection of both is
2, 2.
2, 2. So this is point B and this is point C. देखो ये भी 2 units है, ये भी 2 units. This is also 2 units and this is also 2 units and this is 90 degree. So which is the correct option?
Option A. Square.
Option A, square. Very good. The correct option is square. Now the next question, point minus 2, 3 lies in the dash quadrant. First, second, third, fourth.
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant, very good. क्योंकि second quadrant में जो format जो होता है वो माइनस और प्लस के फॉर्म में होता है, ठीक है? Right. So now we are moving toward question number 10. Point 0 minus 2 lies on the x-axis, in the second quadrant, on the y-axis, in the fourth quadrant. Y-axis. Because x coordinate is 0, that means it belongs to y-axis. Right. Next question. Signs of the abscissa means x coordinate, and ordinate means y coordinate of a point in the first quadrant are respectively.
Option A.
Option A. Both are positive. Plus, comma, plus. Signs of the abscissa and ordinate of a point in the second quadrant. Second quadrant, just now I told, x is negative, y is positive. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 13. Signs of the abscissa and ordinate of a point in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, both are negative. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D, right. Now 14th question. Signs of the abscissa and ordinate of a point in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant में x positive रहता है और y negative रहता है. And the correct option is option C, right. Now the next question. Point minus 1, 0 lies in the on the negative direction of x-axis, on the negative direction of y-axis, in the third quadrant, in the fourth quadrant.
Option A.
Option A, right. x axis में होगा, because y coordinate is 0, so it belongs to the point lies on x axis, right, and it is lying on the negative direction because x is negative. Next, point 0 minus 2 lies in the on the negative direction of x axis, on the negative direction of y axis, in the first quadrant, in the second quadrant.
Option B.
ऑप्शन बी, राइट. क्योंकि यहाँ पे x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है, so that means it lies on y axis. Now next question, abscissa of all the points on x axis is dash.
Any number.
Yes, any number. Abscissa means x coordinate. तो x coordinate में कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है. So correct option is D. Now ordinate of all the points on x axis is dash. 0. Very good. Ordinate means y coordinate. जो x axis में y coordinate 0 होता है. Next question. Abscissa of all the points on y axis is dash. 0. Right. Y axis में x coordinate 0 होता है. Abscissa को x coordinate बोलते हैं. So correct option is A. Ordinate of all the points on y axis is
Any number.
any number, right? Very good. Next question, a point both of whose coordinates are negative will lie in first quadrant, second quadrant, x axis, y axis.
Second quadrant.
एक करेक्शन है इसमें. इसको हम लोग फर्स्ट ऑप्शन को मैं थर्ड कर देता हूँ, बिकॉज द करेक्ट आंसर इज थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, है ना.
Yes.
इसको मैं थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट कर रही हूँ, ठीक है, छोटा सा करेक्शन कर लिए. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now a point both of whose coordinates are positive will lie in
First quadrant.
first quadrant, right. Next, if y coordinate of a point is 0, then this point always lies on first quadrant, second quadrant, x axis, y axis.
X axis.
X axis. So C is the correct answer. If x coordinate of a point is 0, then this point always lies on
Y axis.
y axis. Very good. Now we are moving toward question number 25. The point 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 4 minus 5, minus 3 minus 4 lies in second. देखो एक मिनट, यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो, ये दोनों सेम साइंस हैं, ठीक है, प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस, सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट, एंड दिस बिलोंग्स टू थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट,
Third quadrant.
राइट. तो ए गलत है, बी भी गलत है, सी भी गलत है. सो ये कहीं सही है क्योंकि सब एक क्वाड्रेंट में नहीं है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डू नॉट लाई इन द सेम क्वाड्रेंट. दिस इज क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes.
Right. Now we are moving toward question number 26. This is similar question. 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3, 4 minus 6 and 2 minus 7. The sign convention of all the points are same, plus minus. So all the points lies in which quadrant?
Fourth quadrant.
X is positive, Y is negative. So it belongs to fourth quadrant. Right. Next question. The point minus 5, 2 and 2 minus 5 lies in. देखो ध्यान से, ये x नेगेटिव है, y पॉजिटिव है, so that means it belongs to second quadrant. And x is positive, y is negative, so it belongs to fourth quadrant. Okay, second and fourth. Right. So A option गलत है, B भी गलत है, and what about C? C is correct?
Yes.
ठीक है. D गलत है क्योंकि respectively word is written, so fourth quadrant it belongs to minus 5, 2. So D is also wrong. So the correct option is C. Right? Now 28th question, the point whose ordinate is 4. Ordinate means y coordinate, and which lies on y axis. Y axis में x coordinate 0 होता है. So which option is the correct one? Option B, 0, 4. Right. Abscissa of a point is positive in first and second quadrant, first and fourth quadrant, first quadrant only, second quadrant only.
First and fourth quadrant.
Very good. First and fourth quadrant. The perpendicular distance of a point P 3 4 from the y-axis is dash. देखो, I am repeating once again. The perpendicular distance of y-axis x coordinate होता है. The perpendicular distance of x-axis y coordinate होता है. तो यहाँ पर perpendicular distance from y-axis है. So this is equals to x coordinate. So what is the x coordinate?
3.
3. So the correct option is A. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 31. The point minus 2, minus 5 lies in the dash quadrant. Which quadrant? Both are negative.
Third quadrant.
Third quadrant, right. Now 32nd, the sign of x coordinate of a point lying in third quadrant is plus minus, fourth quadrant minus. The signs of respectively x coordinate and y coordinates of a point lying in second quadrant are
Option
option A, right. The point 0 4 lies on first quadrant, negative x-axis, positive x-axis or y-axis.
A.
Y-axis.
Y-axis, because x coordinate is 0, that means it belongs to y-axis. So the correct option is D. Y coordinate of any point lying on x-axis is dash. Y coordinate of any point lying on x-axis is 0. This question is repeated. उस क्वेश्चन में ऑर्डिनेट लिखा हुआ था और यहाँ पे y कोऑर्डिनेट लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है. बाकी सेम क्वेश्चन है. Now 36th question. The point where the two axes meet is called x coordinate, y coordinate, quadrant, origin. Origin, right, very good.
Origin.
Now the next question, 37th. The point minus 5, 4 and 4 minus 5 are situated in same quadrant. Wrong. First and third quadrant, this is also wrong. Different quadrants, this is correct. Different quadrants nahi hai. Fourth and second quadrant respectively. So this is lies in second quadrant and this lies in fourth quadrant. So the correct answer is C bit. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we are moving toward question number 38. The figure obtained by plotting the points 2, 3, minus 2, 3, minus 2, minus 3 and 2, minus 3 is a dash. चलो एक रफ फिगर बनाते हैं. 1, 2, 3. 3 तक ये 1, 2, 3. -1, -2, -3. -1, -2, -3. 1, 2, 3. -1, -2, -3. और y में भी बना लिए 1, 2, 3. This is y dash या y, and this is y dash या -5. This is x dash, this is x. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं 2, 3 से. 2, 3 यहाँ पर आ रहा है, देखो. -2, 3 here and -2, -3 it will come over here and 2, -3. I think तुम लोग को पता चल गया होगा कौन सा होगा ये.
Option B.
Rectangle,
Yes.
because
sir.
this is 6 unit length and this is 4 unit. So the figure we obtained is a rectangle. So option B is the correct answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So now we are moving toward the next question. The area of triangle AOB having vertices 0, 6, 0, 0 and 6, 0. देखो इसका भी एक रफ डायग्राम बना देता हूँ मैं. ये O है और A है 0, 6, यहाँ पे ले लेते हैं. So ये 6 यूनिट हो जाएगा. And suppose this is B and this is, no, एक मिनट, दोनों इक्वल है ना, तो वो दूसरे जगह बना देते हैं यहाँ पे, राइट. And this is also 6 units. So this is a right triangle. So what is the area of this triangle? Half into base into height. That is half into 6 into 6. So how much we are getting?
80 square.
Yes, 18 square units. And the correct option is C. Any doubt in this question?
No.
Okay, now 40th question. Which of the following points does not lie in any quadrant?
Option D.
ऑप्शन डी. ये क्वाड्रेंट में रहता है, एक्सिस में रहेगा. कौन सा एक्सिस में ये?
Y axis.
Y axis, because x coordinate is 0, right. Next question. The point whose ordinate is 3. Ordinate means x, y coordinate, and it lies on y axis. So which is the correct answer?
Option B.
Option B, 0, 3, right.
Option B.
The abscissa of a point is positive in first and third quadrant, first and fourth quadrants, first quadrant only and second quadrant only.
Option B.
Option B, right. First and fourth quadrants. शायद ये repeat हुआ है, कोई problem
Yes,
नहीं है.
sir.
चलो. 43rd. O 00, A 30, B 34, C 04 are 4 given points. Then the figure O A B C. चलो इसको एक बार देख लेते हैं. रफ फिगर. 1, 2, 3, 4. ऐसी रफ फिगर है ना, मैं एरो वगैरह कुछ नहीं लगा रहा हूँ. एंड दिस इज 0 एंड हियर 1, 2, 3, 4. So first this is C 04 and 00. This is 30 and now we have to make 34. So this is 34. So which figure we are getting?
Rectangle.
Rectangle, right. And the correct option is B. Next question. In the given figure, on the sides, the respective coordinates of a point P and Q respectively are. What is the coordinate of point P?
-2, 3.
-2. ये 2 है. This is 2. -2, 2. Okay. And what is the coordinate of Q?
1 minus
3.
1 - 3. Right. So यहाँ पे देखो कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है इसमें? C -2, 2 and 1 - 3. The correct option is C.
C.
Right. So now 45th question. The point 0 - 3 lies on negative side of y-axis, negative side of x-axis, positive side of x-axis, positive side of y-axis. Correct option? देखो
Option A.
x coordinate 0, that means it will lies on y axis, and -3 है, y is negative, so it lies on negative side of y axis. So this is the correct answer. Next, if the coordinates of 2 points P and Q are 2 - 3 and -6, 5, then the x coordinate of P minus x coordinate of Q. So 2 minus of -6. What we are getting?
8.
2 plus 6, that is 8. Right. And the correct option is D. Now next question. The point whose y coordinate is 3 in the given figure is dash. Y coordinate is 3.
P, sir.
P, option A, right. What is the coordinate of P here?
2, 3.
2, 3, very good. Next, the coordinates of the point lying on the negative side of x-axis at a distance of y units, 5 units from origin are dash.
-5, 0.
Very good, -5, 0. The correct answer is C. Next, the distance of the point 4 - 3 from the x-axis. I told you that the distance, perpendicular distance from the x-axis is y coordinate. from the y axis is x coordinate, and distance is always positive. We have to write in only positive value. So what is the answer here?
C.
What is the distance of this point from the x axis?
2.
3 units.
Option A.
ठीक है, ऑप्शन ए राइट. कई लोग गलती से -3 भी लिख देंगे क्योंकि वो y कोऑर्डिनेट होता है, बट डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव ना, सो दैट इज व्हाई द करेक्ट आंसर इज 3 units. Next, last question. The origin lies on x axis only, both axes, y axis only, none of the axis. Both axes, right. The correct option is B. So this is the last question of today's session. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.